Welcome. Hello. Hi, Jackie. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi, Mimi. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Yes. Come in. Come in, come in. L'chaim. L'chaim. I hope you have something tasty on your table today. All I could think of was a piece of black bread. There. And tea, because we're going to mention a couple of tasty things, or not so tasty things, in the song. So let's wait for a few more people. Hello, Ed. Let's wait for a few more people to join us. Okay. Now use the chat. Yes, of course, Jackie, you remember this song? My Yiddish choirs and some of my groups, if I taught you somewhere else, not just in Britain, it's one of my favorite easy Yiddish songs to sing with people. It's so simple, it's so much fun. So let's hope we'll have fun here today. Right. Now, if you're new to these groups, please give us a little wave or write something in the chat. If you're new, tell us how does iced tea count? I guess anything counts today under the circumstances. If you're new, let us know how you found out about these groups, about these meetings. I hope that there'll be more people with us today. That's good, 34, excellent, right. Yes, so I'm going to take my sip and go straight into saying hello to each other. I'm going to unmute you and we'll sing one note together, that middle C. Right, let's go. It'll be messy. Ready?
Оказывается, я не помню.
Okay, great. It'll carry on forever. Some of you have endless breath. Oh, I can hear someone. You should be all muted now. Mute, 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 mute all. Right, so I'm going straight into the tune. Now, I know that some of you print music up in advance. For this one, you don't really need your music. Yeah, but the tune goes like this. If you don't know it, just listen, you'll know it in a second. I die da die, I die die, I die da da die, die die, I da da die, I die die, I die 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 die, I da da die, I die die, I die 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 die. Easy and fun. Okay, let me see who else is here with us here. All right, great. Lovely people here today. Thank you very much for joining. Let's do it one more time. I will show you slower where the tune goes. Let's go. I die yada die, I die die, I die yada die die die, I yada die, I die die, I die 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 die, and repeat. I yada die, I die die, I die 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 die. Good. Text, you will see text in a minute. You don't have text yet. Matze behind, yeah, Neil has stuff behind you. Neil, let us know what's behind you. For some of us, it's too small. And by the way, all right, I'm going to show you the music. So we go through it one more time for those who have visual, they remember by seeing music. You will have your music in front of you. We are in C minor, not on that key, which would be too high. So C minor, let's go together, la la la. One more time by heart. going to unmute you. See how you are?
That's great.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's a fun tune. So let's look at our text, which is also, it's great. You know that in these sessions, we combine Yiddish and Russian things quite often, even though I'm trying to keep them kind of separate. Yiddish session, Yiddish, Russian, then Yiddish and Russian concert. There is still an overlap. I guess it's because of me. I'm kind of, it's like in the middle. I'm Russian and Jewish at the same time. So this song has a few Russian words, even if you know Yiddish perfectly. And by the way, let me know if you're a Yiddish speaker here, please. A Yiddish speaker, anyone Yiddish speaking, right? That you understand Yiddish. You may challenge yourself by learning a couple of Russian words today. Here we go. Here is our text. Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades. Meine Mazol. Yes, I'll stop here. We will say it one more time. Before we do, let me translate it. Kh'bin, we shorten it by saying Kh'bin all at once. Geforn, I went. Keyn, towards, to. Ades is Odessa, a big city in Ukraine. Lechen is a Russian word coming from lichit, which is to cure. Meine Mazolias. Now, I don't know if Mazolias is a Yiddish word. To me, it's a Russian word, mazoli, which is kind of blisters. And calluses, I don't actually know what calluses are. I guess it's a good thing that I don't know. So let's say these two lines in the rhythm of the song. 1, 2, 3, and Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades. Lechen meine Mazol. Yes, good. Let's sing it. Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades. Lechen meine Mazol. Yes. And the next phrase comes in every verse. Chay pil Zakusil, meaning what? Russian speakers? Chay is tea, pil is drunk. Zakusil had a little snack, right? Chay pil Zakusil. Let's go. Chay pil Zakusil. And there'll be all sorts of things in the fourth line. Teiglach mit fasol. Yes. Now, in your translation, it says dumplings with beans. Fasolias is a type of bean, yes. A teiglach is not really dumplings. If you have a recipe for teiglach, let us know. Otherwise, look on Wikipedia or in Jewish recipes. As far as I understand, they're little balls, doughy, and they're sweet. And it's interesting for me why it's with beans here, with fasolias. I don't know why. I haven't heard of teiglach mit fasolias. So let's say the last two lines, Chay pil Zakusil, teiglach mit fasolias, in the rhythm of the song. 1, 2, 3. Chay pil Zakusil, teiglach mit fasol. Yes, one more time. Chay pil Zakusil, teiglach mit fasol. Yes. I'm going to see how you're doing. Okay? Okay. Oh, a great number of 47 people. Wonderful. Welcome those whom I haven't seen yet. Today, we're going to our first verse. I'll show you the music, and this is where the verse is, under the music, the first verse. Let's sing it together. Ready? Right, I'm hearing someone. Everyone should be muted. I'm sorry. Everyone should be muted, otherwise it makes a mess. Sorry, please make sure you're muted, okay? It would be lovely to hear you, but we unfortunately can't. Okay, back. 1, 2, 3. Meine Mazole, yes. Chay pil Zakusil, teiglach mit fasol, yes. Chay pil Zakusil, teiglach mit fasol, yes. Ay, day, yada, day, ay, day, day, ay, day, yada, day, 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 ay, da, da, day, ay, day, day, yada, da, da, day, 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 day. of variations when I sing yada dai 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 dai, and we will do that every time after a verse. Do your own bits, invent your own eyes and oys and oys and ways. Right, second verse. Second verse. Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades. I went to Odessa, same line. Zi der tiotie Chanke, to my auntie. It says Annie. I don't know why Chanke is Annie. Let's say Aunt Hannah. Zi der tiotie Chanke. That line reminded me of Hannah, Adrienne Cooper, and that's why I said I'll tell you a story how she cooked borscht for us. So I'll do that later. So I went not to Odessa, but to New York. Zi der tiotie Chanke. Let's say that line 3 and 4. Zi der tiotie Chanke. Carry on. Chay, Zakusil. Carry on. Af der Moldavanke. Easy? I think it's fairly easy. Af der Moldavanke. So I went to Odessa to my auntie Chanke. Chay pil, I drank tea. Zakusil had, it doesn't say sweets, it's any kind of zakuska. Zakuska can go with alcohol. Zakuska can be savory. After Moldavanka, Moldavanka is an area, quite a busy, lively area in Odessa. Let's try and sing this verse together. Come on. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll stop here and we'll go to the next verse straight away. They're fairly easy, aren't they? And repetitive. So let's see. Heiße Tee und kalte Tee. Hot tea and cold tea. Teiglach mit fasol. Yes, again we have this teiglach with beans for some reason. Let's say these two lines together in the rhythm of the song. 1, 2, 3. Heiße Tee und kalte Tee. Teiglach mit fasol. Yes, now the next line is funny and strange. Alle schöne Mädelech haben nice doll. Yes. Before I translate it, I need to tell you that haben, if you're not familiar with Yiddish, haben, instead of BN, we say haben. You'll see me doing that, haben, yeah? Alle is all, schöne is beautiful, Mädelech is young women, haben, have, nisa, kind of rotten, bad, dolias, dolia is a Russian word, destiny, life, yeah, rotten luck, it says here, yeah, bad luck to young pretty girls. I don't know why it says it, but it's pretty grim. Let's say the last two lines and we sing the whole verse all the way through. Last two lines, alle, 3 and 4. Alle schöne Mädelech haben nice doll. Yes, one more time. Alle schöne Mädelech haben nice doll. Yes. Let me see how you're getting on. People are smiling. Smiling, right? Smiling. That's good. Let's go to that verse and sing it. If you have tea, have a sip of your tea. Heiße Tee und kalte Tee. Actually, somebody said, does iced tea count? I guess it does. Third verse, heiße Tee. Let's go. Heiße Tee und kalte Tee, teiglach mit fasol, yes. Alle schöne Mädelech haben nice doll, yes. Alle schöne Mädelech haben yes. I die da da die, I die die, I die ya da die die die, I ya da die, I die die, ya da die 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 die, ya da 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 die, ya da die, I die die, ya da 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 die. Good, last verse. Let's see, last verse. Oh, it's funny, this one. Heiße Tee and kalte Tee you already know, hot tea and cold tea. Bäcklach mit Rosen, cheeks with, rosy with roses. Let's say these two lines. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Heiße Tee und kalte Tee, Bäcklach mit Rosen. Zn, yeah, zn is a syllable. And the last two lines. Der was trot kein Schleckes nicht. Now, this line took me some time to actually get into all the consonants. Der was trot kein Schleckes nicht, right? Good. Schleckes, actually for me, is a familiar word. In Russian, we have schleiki, which is, what are they? They're like when you have trousers or pants in American, I guess, you have these suspenders. This is American, isn't it? Let me see what people are saying in the chat. You may help me with translating into English. Braces. Yes, thank you very much. Braces. That's what they are. Okay. So I'm going back to sharing that screen and let's speak through that line. Der was hot. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Der was trockt kein Schleckes nicht. Der verliert die Hosen. That person who wears no braces, no suspenders, will lose their trousers, right? Pants. I don't know. Yeah. Let's say these two lines together. The last two lines. 1, 2, 3. Der was trockt kein Schleckes nicht. Der verliert die Hosen. One more time. Der was trockt kein Schleckes nicht. Der verliert die Hosen. Let's sing that verse. Verse 4. Heiße Tee und kalte Tee, Bäcklach mit Rosen. Der was trot kein Schleckes nicht, der verliert die Hosen. Der was trot kein Schleckes nicht, der verliert die Hosen. Ai, dai, ja, da, dai, ai, dai, dai, ai, dai, da, da, dai, 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 ai, ja, da, dai, ja, da, 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 dai, ai, da, 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 dai, da, 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 dai, ja, da, 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 dai, ja, da, 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 dai, ja, da, 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 dai, ja, da, 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 dai, 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 oi, wait. Okay. How is that for you? I'm unmuting you.
Let's try it. Gosh.
It's fun. This is a fun song. Now we're going for the whole thing all the way through. Between the verses, let's do ya da 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 and take off. Just do your own whatever comes to your head, do it. Have fun. Right. Here comes our text. Let me have my sip of tea. Anyone else has a drink of any sort? Cold drink, heiße Tee, kalte Tee? Yes. Ilan, it looks like wine you're having. Right. Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades, lechna meine mazolies, Chay Zakusil, teiglach mit fasolies, Chay Zakusil, teiglach mit fasolies. Ay, da, 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 ay, da, da, ay, da, 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 ay, da, da, ay, da, da, ay, da, 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 ay, da, da, ay, da, da, ya, da, 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 Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades, zittert tot ihr Chanke, Chay Zakusil, aber der mal da Vanka, Chay Zakusil, aber der mal da Vanka, ay da ya da da, ay da da, ay da ya da da, ay ay da ya da da, da da ya da da da, ay ya da da ya da da, ay da da ya da da da, die. Heiße Tee und kalte Tee, teiglach mit fasolies, alle schöne Mädels, teiglach, open me said, oh yes, I die, yada 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 on a kaltate, bakkelig met rozen. Der was trok geen schleekes nicht, der verliert die Häusen. Der was wat geen schleekes nicht, der verliert die Häusen. Right. That's fun, isn't it? Let me just see what's happening here in the chat. Yeah, enough already. No teeth, braces for trousers. Yes. I can't follow all that. I will read your chat after we finish this session. That's what I usually do. And if there are any specific questions, I'll answer them next time I might see you and remember, or I can answer them on Facebook, or if there's some positive criticism, I can take it and do certain things. Now, yesterday I asked you, yesterday whoever was there, I asked about our keys, and most people said the keys I choose are okay. Some of them wanted to go higher, but you know, we usually do 1 or 2 keys. For big range songs, it's quite limited. So
звук, остановить видео. То есть видео, получается, есть?
Somebody is talking to me in Russian. You should be muted. I'm sorry, I've muted. Yeah.
Excuse me, that's my tante. My tante says, excuse me.
Okay. Everyone muted now? Woohoo! Wow. So, first of all, I'd like to... Who am I hearing? Who am I hearing? Who is talking? Where are you? Mute your microphone, please. Please mute your microphone. Yeah? Okay, I think that's it now. I think we're fine. So I would like to thank Hjortur, you personally, and Eva, and where are you? Right, and Shira as well. You've been the best helping me to spread the news about this course, and you shared so much, and everyone else who shared about these classes. Thank you very much. We see a few new people here today, a few new faces. Let us know how you know about this, right? It's good to know, and it's great to have new faces here pretty much every day. It's fantastic, as well as all the familiar friends and familiar faces. Now, here is time for me to tell you the borsht story. How many of you come from the Yiddish side of, from the Yiddish network, Yiddish music network? Yeah, let me see. I can see professionals and semi-professionals here. Most of you know Adrienne Cooper. Let her soul rest in peace. Adrienne Cooper was one of my biggest teachers. She was one of the people who actually put me on that journey of Yiddish song back in 1999 in St. Petersburg. When I heard her sing a Yiddish song, my whole understanding of what Yiddish culture was completely changed, because I didn't think it was that deep or interesting back then. And she just opened that whole world to me. So time went by and I got into this, and I already told some of you my story of going to America with my quartet. So we found ourselves in New York with nowhere to stay for the last 4 days of our little trip. Because some of it was kind of not organized, we just tried things out, that we can stay with these people, it didn't work. Last 4 days, nowhere to stay. Adrienne was kind of our big mentor, and we came to Arbitering, to the place where she was working. And with our shy faces, we said, Adrienne, can we stay with you? And she said, all right, okay. So you know, 2 of us stayed in her bed and 2 of us stayed in her living room mattress and sofa. And when we turned up in her house, there was a huge pot of borscht that she'd made for us. That completely was unexpected. And apart from just giving us space to sleep, she cooked us borscht. And I think those who know Adrienne, please put a little heart here or something. And like, she was a fantastic person. And I'd like to just say hello to her soul. You know, we have great people on the network of Yiddish Song, of klezmer music in the world. And we have lots of fantastic stories, I'm sure, all of us. Now, sip of tea, heiße Tee and kalte Tee, and we're going back to our song. We will sing it all the way through, and we will sing it in C minor. We'll go up a tone for the last couple of verses for those who want to sing a bit higher. Yes, read what people are writing about Adrienne. She was really a fantastic, fantastic person. If you type in Adrienne Cooper on YouTube, you will see her singing. It's the most soulful. You don't need to know Yiddish. It just goes straight into your heart. Right, here comes our song. Nobody wrote a recipe for teiglach yet. Maybe you have, but I missed it. And we will sing verse yadadai, right? Let's go. Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades, lechna meine mazolias, Chay Zakusil, teiglach mit pastries, Chay Zakusil, teiglach mit pastries. Ja, bye bye. Ay da 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 da, ay da da, ay da 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 da, ay ay ya da da, ay da da, ya da da ya da da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da. Geforn keyn Ades, zitter tjote Chanke, Chay Zakusil, after Moldavanke, oi Chay Zakusil, after Moldavanke, ay da da da, ay da da, ay da ya da da da, ya da da ya da da ya da da da, ya da 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 da. Sorry. Heiße Tee en een kalte Tee, teiglach mit Fasolies, alle schöne Mädelach, oben misse Dolies, alle schöne Mädelach, oben misse Dolies. Ay da ya da da, ay da da, ay da ya da da, ay ya da da ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ay 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 ay. Heiße Tee und eine kalte Tee, bekelig mit Rosen, der was trinken schlickt es nicht, der verliert die Häuser, der was trinken schlickt es nicht, der verliert die Häuser. Ay, ay, ya da da, ay, da da, ya da ya da da, ay, ay, ya da da, ya da da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da da, ya da da, ya da 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 da, ya da da. Let me see you.
Hey.
So we will sing it one more time, maybe not all the way through to finish our session with. We still have these 10 minutes. So before we do it one more time, and I read if there's anything special in the chat, cooking fasolia, yeah, beans, Sarah Gordon, yeah, yes. Concert tomorrow. Yeah, some of you already know that Yefim Chorny and Susanna Gergos will be with us online from Moldova, from Chisinau. and they will sing Yiddish songs, and I will sing a couple of Russian songs. So it'll be a mixture of Russian and Yiddish, Russian coming from my side, Yiddish from their side. It's a rare occasion when you can see them online. Drag people in to see just them if they don't want to sing with us every day or every other day. Just bring them in. Hopefully it'll work, and fingers crossed we'll have a really nice time. After that, Russian song, Yiddish song, Russian song, Yiddish song, and the final concert, for which I still don't know who I'm going to have. I have a few thoughts. I'll tell you later. Right. Everything is Misa should be pronounced as Misa. How is that different to Misa? Misa. I hope it's okay. Yes, Justin Hoffman here. Justin Hoffman, I know you performed it. So yeah, so if you see Justin Hoffman there smiling, he performed it. And he did a special trick when he sang it. I think he demonstrated Mazolias, which is
Polina, hello.
Yeah, Justin, tell us about, just in one word, like one paragraph, what you did. What was funny about your performance?
Ottazoi Golden Peacock, and I was wearing braces, and I took them off at the end of the song, but nothing more than my braces.
Okay. Yeah, it was funny. So let's sing our song one more time. I think we actually have time for the whole thing. Now, I will bring us up and up and up again, okay, for people with slightly higher voices. Should be okay. Should be warmed up by now. And maybe I'll leave a couple of yababais for you to just improvise over. Okay? The whole thing. Let's do the whole thing. What the hell? Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades, lechene meine Mazolias, Chay Zakusil, teiglach Chay Zakusil, teiglach mit fasolias. Ay dai da da dai, ay dai dai, ay dai da da dai 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 dai, ya da dai ya da 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 dai, ya da 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 dai 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 dai. Kh'bin geforn keyn Ades, titter tote Chanke, Chay Zakusil, auf der Moldavanke, Chay Zakusil, auf der Moldavanke. Ay, dai, ya da dai. Ay, da da dai. Ay, dai, 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 ya da dai, ay, dai, dai, ya da 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 dai, 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 dai. Hey, sorry, I'm hearing someone. Mute. Sorry. Third verse. Hey, sate on a kalte te, teiglach mit fasolias. Alle meidelijk, oben mit sedolias. Alle scheine meidelijk, oben mit sedolias. Ay dai da da dai, ay dai dai, ay dai da da dai dai dai. Ya da da ya da dai, ya da 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 dai, ya da 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 dai 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 dai. Ya da dai 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 dai, ay dai 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 dai, ay dai da da dai, ay dai da da dai you, ay dai you. Ya da dai 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 you. Hey, city on a kalte day, bekkelech mit Rosen, der was trot kein Schleikes nicht, der verliert die Häusen, der was trot kein Schleikes nicht, der verliert die Häusen. Ay, dai, da, da, dai, ay, dai, ay, dai, ya, da, dai, 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 ay, da, da, dai, ya, da, 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 dai. You can get up and dance. Ay, da, 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 going to try something now. I sing a phrase, you repeat it. A bit of improvisation. Sing with me together. So, hey Satay on Kaltatay, whatever you're drinking, here is my black bread. I will see you tomorrow for Yefim Chorny, Susanna Gerges's concert and a bit of me. And please invite people to our table. It's great to see everyone. You have 1 second to write something in the chat. And I will read it later and respond to whatever needs responding later. Thank you very much, everyone. L'chaim, good Shabbos, and see you again. Bye.